Hello guys, welcome back to Language Engineer. My name is Chris.
I'm Lucy.
And right now we are in Dubai and it's so hot, but we have no excuse, we will study. And what are we studying today?
We will learn how to say what's your name in Chinese.
Yeah, but before we learn what's your name, we should go through
Vocabularies.
Yes, okay, then let's start.
你
And this means you.
你
Next one.
叫
And this means to be called.
叫
Okay, next one.
什么
And this means what?
什么
Okay, next one.
名字
And this means name.
名字
Okay, next one.
我
This means I.
我
Okay, next one.
您
And this means you, but here it is the polite form for you.
您
Okay, and this was the vocabulary. And now we learn how to say what's your name. So how do we say what's your name?
你叫什么名字
Okay, can you tell us how to work with the tones?
你叫什么名字
Yeah, so pay attention that you pronounce tones right, because I remember when I studied Chinese, the tones are the most important if you want to speak proper Chinese. There are a lot of foreigners, they pronounce the tones different, and this can mean a total different meaning. So pay attention to the tones. When you ask me the question, 你叫什么名字? How can I reply to the question?
Then you will answer 我叫 blah 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 我叫 blah blah blah
So I can say 我叫瑞斯
你叫什么名字
我叫瑞斯
Yes, but usually we don't ask what's your name so directly. Usually we just ask 您贵姓
Okay, and what does this mean?
This means what is your honorable family name? So we start to ask for the family name first, and if it's necessary to know the full name, then we will ask like 您叫 blah blah blah. Because we're not the policeman, we are not stop guys, what's your name? This is so directly. So usually we start our family name first. For example, 请问您贵姓
Then I should answer 我姓史
您叫
我叫瑞斯
Now I can know that his name is 史瑞斯
Okay, and you also said 请问您贵姓请问 What does that mean?
It's like please or excuse me or sorry, what's her name? What's her family name? Something like that. This is all the things we learned today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.
See you next time, bye bye